Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and verifying the phone's baseline state. Back up your photos and essential files now so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Settings and check battery temperature or add a diagnostic quick settings tile to read degrees C. Record that number. Make sure to close heavy apps, turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and remove any case. This exposes real heat and eliminates insulation that can mask the issue. Now you run targeted diagnostics to find the cause. Reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps and watch temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. If it cools, an app is likely. Next, inspect settings right arrow battery for apps using CPU or wake locks. Force stop or uninstall any high consumers. Also make sure system and apps are up to date, and then wipe the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files. Finish by applying definitive fixes while protecting your settings. If software steps fail, perform a factory reset after confirming backups. This removes deep software faults. If overheating persists, swap chargers and test with a known good cable to rule out power issues, then perform battery calibration by fully charging to 100% and letting it discharge once. If none of this helps, contact Google support or an authorized repair center. Hardware faults like a failing battery or thermal sensor require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.